to our channel, and firstly tell us your journey with Country Club. How this inspiration to start this happened?
Country Club, as I was telling you in this thing, the clubbing industry was started by the British, for the British, and I was telling you like there used to be a board, Indians and dogs are not allowed. But then after the British left, the army took over and they started inviting all Nawabs and Zamindars and landowners, the big guys and all that. So when I became member of that, I felt very sad. I said, there is nothing Indian here. So I wanted to represent the soul of India. Uske liye what we have removed all the dress codes and everything, like I was telling about M.F. Hussain. I bought him personally because he's a legend. You can't, you have to treat him differently. His age is different. Elderly man. So both खुश हो गए Country Club के लिए painting भी करें as an artist. So we appreciate. You have seen all my friends, the film stars or sports people. I get inspired. अब निखत जरीन हैदराबाद के and other people, Saina Mirza हैदराबाद के. Whatever support they want, whenever they want anything, I always help them.
So what makes your company different from others? If I ask the USP of Country Club.
Here the MD of the company itself is the brand ambassador. I did my own skydiving. If you go to Google, you'll see. In Dubai, 14,500 feet. And I don't think so any industrialist has done it. Scuba diving in Maldives. Hot air ballooning in Australia. Then white river rafting in Sri Lanka. So I do all the stunts myself. In fact, Salman Khan wanted to be a brand ambassador, but he didn't want to do the stunts. He said, "Maine kar sakta hu." Then I did myself. Salman, you leave it then. You can't do it, you leave it like that.
And what are the latest trends in the industry you see? The tourism industry and things.
No, like Pune mein commune Virat Kohli ka shuru kare na, that has become a big hit. Maybe we'll have another brand for youngsters. अभी Bangalore का भी property बताया ना मैं, zipliners and roller coaster rides. So all these things add to the brand. No? We have to now think what the next generation requires.
So you are inspiration for everybody, but who is your own inspiration? Who inspired you?
My inspiration is actually speaking everybody. In the sense, I draw inspiration from all the sports guys, film stars. They keep their body healthy, their mental healthy, and they will not enter into negative conversation. Avoid negativity, and you love yourself. I think if you love yourself, avoid negativity. I think there is the answer.
And last question for the young entrepreneurs, your advice to them.
Be disciplined. There's nothing, and take care of your health. I swim every day 1 kilometer non-stop. That is what I do every day. And I feel that youngsters in whatever form, whether it is swimming, tennis, sports, pickleball. Pickleball is the latest invention. And there's going to be the future, like squash and tennis will be replaced by pickleball.